Okay, we are officially almost done with 4.1. Last thing we're going to talk about is just that minimum and maximum idea. Remember, when a is positive, when the coefficient in front of x squared, or your a value, is positive, that means your graph faces up and you have a minimum. When a is negative, your parabola faces down and you have a maximum. Think about your vertex being at the maximum or the highest point on the parabola. Here, minimum, low. Now let's say we have a equation. We want to decide if we're going to have a minimum or a maximum, and then find that minimum or maximum value. Okay? Minimum or maximum value can either be the y-coordinate or just the point of your vertex. I'll actually have you guys find the vertex there. Okay, so here is our quadratic. Y equals 3x squared minus 18x plus 20. First thing I notice is I'm going to zero right in on that a value, that number right in front of x squared. I notice it's positive. Positive because we are so smart with this stuff. We know when a is positive, your graph is going to face up. And because it's facing up, the vertex is at its lowest point. So you're going to have a minimum. Now we want to figure out what that is. To do that, we're just going to find the vertex. We're going to use that handy-dandy equation, x equals negative b over 2a. And we're going to take the coefficients and plug it into this equation. So my b value is negative 18. So negative 18 divided by my a value is 3. 2 times 3. I end up with 18 divided by 6, or 3. So when x is 3, I have a minimum. Now we got to figure out what y is. Now I'm going to take that 3, plug it into my equation, simplify to get y. I'm going to go 3 times 3 squared minus 18 times 3 plus 20. We're going to be careful for order of operations here. Once we do our simplifying, we're going to get a y value of negative 7. So that means the point of my minimum, or the vertex, is at 3, negative 7. And this is what you would want for an answer. And we're all done.